When the bimetallic element in a fan limit switch is worn, it can cause delayed or failed fan cycling and unreliable temperature control. A worn bimetal loses its springback and calibrated temperature response, so the switch may not open when the heat exchanger reaches safe temperature or may latch on after cooling, creating overheating or poor airflow. Inspect the element visually for corrosion, thinning or warped curvature, and test electrically by measuring continuity as the assembly warms. If continuity fails to change at the expected temperature, the element has degraded. Remove power to the furnace before handling the control, mark terminal positions for reconnection, and substitute a correctly rated replacement part matched to the original switch specifications to restore designed operating points. When replacing, set the control per manufacturer instructions using a reliable oven thermometer at the heat exchanger exit or a contact thermometer on the control body to confirm the cut-in and cut-out temperatures. Avoid attempting frequent dial adjustments or temporary mechanical tweaks because those mask the loss of material properties in the bimetal and create unsafe operating conditions. After replacement, run several heat cycles and observe consistent fan start and stop points and verify the heat exchanger cool down behaves predictably to ensure the new control interacts correctly with the furnace limit system. Common issues include intermittent fan operation from partial contact wear, which can be diagnosed by cycling the system while monitoring continuity and replaced if contacts pit. Incorrect temperature calibration from material fatigue, which is resolved only by replacing the bimetal element with a matching specification part. And false positives, where debris or corrosion on the element body prevents proper heat transfer, so cleaning and ensuring good physical placement are required, but if performance does not return, replace the entire control rather than relying on bandage fixes. We operate bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and to help contractors find new work related to heating and cooling repairs. We also host a discussion community where we share practical troubleshooting tips and real-world experiences about fan limit switches and other home mechanical systems.